and welcome back. Well, I finally made it to the Dallas-Fort Worth area. I am here visiting some of my favorite people in the entire world. Unfortunately, we have been stuck inside for several days because it just won't stop raining. But that's given me the opportunity to enjoy their company and enjoy their home. And I think that I'm going to take you inside and share some of their design elements and their design style, and it's always fun to go in someone's house and get a sneak peek. I won't be too intrusive and show the entire house, but there are a few things that I thought that you might enjoy, so let's go on inside. When you step into the living room, you see the artfully displayed table against the owner's stately mirror. In the dining room, we find a collection of Asian-inspired plates and Staffordshire figurines. In the powder rooms, you'll find trois fabric shower curtains and whimsical bird cages lining the walls. The homeowners chose to decorate their home using deep yellow and neutral gray color palettes. The fabrics used in the main living areas of the home are perfectly coordinated. Collections of crystal, cut glass, and pewter servingware are displayed all the way to the ceiling. Upstairs, the children's rooms are decorated to represent each child's personality. A little girl's dream of fairies and unicorns. The little boy's nautical theme is carried out in every detail. And a teenager's feminine yet bohemian imagination. Well, I'm back from Texas, and I want to thank the homeowners for allowing me to video in their home. I hope that we didn't intrude too much, and it is always fun to see inside another person's home and maybe get a couple of ideas and incorporate them into your home. And if you are looking for new ideas, I may do a video or two like this occasionally just to give you a sneak peek into other people's homes. I kind of enjoy it, and I hope you do too. As you can see, that home is a very functional home. It's a busy, large family, but the homeowner was able to incorporate little touches of elegance to the home and not have it so delicate that you couldn't enjoy it. The children have their spaces, and the parents have their ideas of how they want their style to be shown, and I thought it came off very well. I would like to have shown you more of the house, but I didn't want to go room by room. I just took little snippets of video here and there, and hopefully you got enough information that you can steal some ideas and put them in your house. And I'm hoping you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, but better yet, I would love it if you would leave a comment in the comments section. And I hope that you also are following me on Instagram, and if you're not, it is @TheStyleChase. So I hope to see you soon. Bye.